Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we're going to show you how to replace the control arm on a Hyundai Santa Fe. This one is an 07 model, 2007, but it will be the same for the whole generation. So pretty much from I think late 6, 7 until 2011, 12, depending on where you live, because that's when they stopped making that generation. So this one, ours is a little bent right here, you can see, so we're going to replace it and show you how to do that. We also have the video on our channel how to replace the strut. Feel free to watch this one as well, and many other videos about the Santa Fe. Stay with us, guys, don't forget to subscribe. We have a new video every day coming to our channel. Okay, now you need to turn the tire to the right, and right there is a nut that you will need to remove. This one right there, because this one is holding the control arm. That's the joint right there. So just take that nut off with a 17 millimeter wrench right there. All the way, you need to take it off all the way. Okay, it's out of there, and now we need to pull the bolt out as well. And if it's stuck, you can just tap barely on this side of it. Okay, right here the bolt is about to come out. As you can see, it's a special bolt. Don't replace it with another one because it needs to fit perfect there. Okay, now you need to step on this one with a pry bar and push down. Okay, and you can see the U-joint right here will come out of there. Okay, it needs to be out of the hole. Now on the front right here you have one bolt and a nut with 19 millimeter socket and wrench. We'll use the impact. Usually those are pretty tight. And just take it off. Okay, this is the nut right there, and then after that we have the bolt and just pull it out. That's the bolt and the nut. And now we have one more bolt holding the control arm to the subframe right there. Okay, let me see if I can get it. Okay, the one right there, and that's that one with 19 millimeter socket as well, and you need to hold the back side of it because it will be spinning. Okay, we took the nut off, and now we need to take the bolt. So again, you will have to tap on it a little bit because it's stuck there, so just be careful not to damage it. Okay, if you stick a screwdriver on this side, you can get it that way as well. Those tend to be pretty stuck. Okay, it's pretty long bolt as well too, so that's it right there, guys. Okay, now you need to grab it and start pulling it down. Okay, it came out of there, and now it needs to come out of this bushing. Okay, so that's the old control arm. Okay, this is the old one on top of the new one, and you can see where it's bent. Okay, that's the difference right here. As you can see, it's supposed to be curved more, but when it got hit, it just pushed it that way a little bit. Okay, now you get the new one, you just put it there, and you can put the bolt actually on this side to hold it there. Okay, like that, and you install the nut as well. And we'll be getting this side in first. Then you need to push down, go under the roller right there on this side, and now as you can see we can just go ahead and install it on this side. Okay, now you need to install the second bolt right there. Get those two tight now. Okay, now if you use the pry bar or your foot, you can step on it, and you need to make sure that it goes there in the hole. Okay, all we need to do, just install this bolt, put the nut, and make sure all three bolts are tight. And that's the whole procedure, guys. Thank you for watching us. Don't forget to subscribe. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. Please do not forget to comment, like, subscribe. That way we can keep making these absolutely free videos. Guys, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels that can, guys, save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Check them out. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.